Okay na, naka-screen record. Naka-share screen, ay, ipakita daw itong, good evening, sir. We are the PPG.
Naka-share screen
Was assigned,
naman.
so, learning, LMS 2, which is Learning Management 2. And, ng issue ng progress mo. Ito kung gulong doon. Ano na lang dito sa una sa interface.
So today we're going to show you. So let me run. Oh wait, let me run the. Okay,
Nag-log na kami.
Visible guys.
I-off na lang yung screen record min para dili ka maglago.
Dave. Ipakita na sa nakuha natin dagway daan. Pag kuan mo good day, good day. Gina. Hi sir. Gina. Wala kay kuan. Mike. Dave.
Dili ko madunggan. Ano day?
Wala kay Mike.
Madunggan ako.
Oh.
Okay na?
Start na. Hinayar pag-check ka.
Good evening, sir. We are the PPG, the Power PUBG, which assigned to LMS 2, Learning Management 2. Ang share screen, ang process, ang progress sa
Okay. Wait. Let me share my screen. Is my screen visible na ba, guys?
Wala pa.
Visible na?
Wala pa. Presenting. Okay na.
Okay. So, sir, for today, we are going to show you the progress of our project. So, let me run the Yun na, Jay.
Let me run. Okay naman na. I-proceed na sa instructor una.
So, let us show you the instructor interface. So, first is you have to log in. So, admin. Then, the password. So, password.
Wala na usab lang hindi sa ano.
Wala man. So, for now, we're still trying to figure out, sir, on how to add questions or create questions. So for now,
And
mo pa ni ang nasa mo
sa view of students ko.
Sa all scores. Narang sa all scores. Wait, I have to log out. Then, let's show the student interface. Okay. After that, kani ang mukuan. So this is not the design pa, sir, because the design is nasa other ay naka JV.
Nasa
So
pizza.
first start, then we have to fill up. Jasmine Lagan. Of course. DSIP. Sure. Okay. Then next. Then after you click the next, all questions will pop up. Then you have to answer each question.
Which item is called?
Then after answering all the questions, 10 questions, you have to click the submit. Then it will show the result of your quiz. Then after you click finish, balik siya dere.
Sa interface.
Oo.
Pero for now, wala pa siya. For now, we don't have the time duration and ano ang tapat to isa min? Aside sa time duration. No, the
sound.
The music background.
And the sound. We're still trying to figure it out.
Then trying to figure out on how to let us see if that question is wrong or correct before proceeding to another question. Then, isa pa may mga
Then, one answer, we're still trying to search and figure out how to record all the scores, names, scores and section. Kay we tried every time na we're going to back or X bitaw tong which nga asa dapit ang JTable nakabutang. Every time nga amo tong i-back, all the records will be deleted bitaw. Mawala siya, dili siya ma-store. So we're trying to figure out how to bitaw nga dili mawala. Napagyapan mi sa process on searching ways para dili mawala ang mga data, para ma-store ang mga data. So, unsa pa, Jay?
Then, for the design, this is not, aside from the program, the design is ending better interface and better design. Sure. Then, sa pa to yung always
Ipakita na natong ang new design first.
Sige. final, I know, not
So this is
really final design.
so this is not yet oh. So let us show you, sir, the new design, which is nakadiri. Should I stop sharing na, Jay?
Okay. Ako na.
Stop na.
Okay na. Ako sa okay na, nakita na.
Oh, mana? Share screen na, Jay.
Dili ka wala pa naka-share screen.
Wala pa, wala. Wala.
Wala. Naka-share screen na dito po.
Screen daw. Wala pa sa amin.
Wait lang. Oh my God, nag-respond ko. Ano ako, presentation oh.
Wala pa. Na. Okay. Okay na.
Tambay lang, test na naman signal. Makita na.
Wala pa. Ay, na siya, but
Wala ikon no.
wala yung pic.
Wala bang kon.
Maklaro, magkasay mo, Anara. Okay na.
Okay na. So, okay na, makita na. So, this is our final interface with sir for program. Time wala ni siya not runnable pa ni siya sir kay wala pa siya na ako gibot niya no mga code to run yun siya to
The
proceed
code
from
is napa sa Aquas.
ang code is na pa dito siya na dito ang sa pikas na dito ang code
Nasa Aqua code and the design is naka-JC.
na then after the interface this is the login homepage after clicking the instruction and after user login then the user will proceed here from the home page where there's a create question, view all student score, and log out. So, para sa giingon nga ganina sir, so we are finding pa for the way on how to create a question. After creating here, the question that we created will proceed to the student interface. So for now, wala pa siya code, wala pa siya program. But still, we're still on, sa namin ka ng, finding ways, trying to search on YouTube.
Yes, sir. We're still on the process of searching pa bitaw, sir. Pangita pa mig another way how to create or add questions.
Again, aside from creating the question, we have still another problem, which is the view all student score. We're still trying to figure out on how to store the names or the information of the student, the remarks that the remarks. Then so far, mara na siya so wala na siya ikon. Other than sa time duration, then music background. Kanira ang problem niya po, isa sa problem. Men, sa katong mga question, men.
So overall, sir, we are still confused, sir, kay sa creating questions, on how to add or view all, how to add the scores sa JTable, then also about the background music and sa pagkito, Jay? Background timer
duration.
and confused pa mi nga part, sir. Oo.
We're still trying to figure out on how to code. I-run daw to siya, balik min na stop sharing na.
Ano to, guys?
I-try to, men, i-share screen, balik to kung
So, I guess that's all.
Men,
That's all, diba?
men.
Okay.
Madunggan ko?
So, that's all, sir.
I-try sa ogran balik ang.
Ah?
I-try sa ogran ang atong program.
Tabok na ba? Okay. Wait. Ay, mag-share screen din ko. Mag-share screen ko ba?
I-share screen sa ads.
Ay, sige, labay-labay ba? Visible na?
Ay, wala pa.
Wait, ano to? Kana.
Okay na. I-try daw.
Okay na? Can you see?
Oo. I-try daw. Balik daw sa kanang instructor.
Try ang instructor. Ay. So far, this is still our ano siyang naifang. Jay?
Sa sa login na to is
Jay?
Sa login na to ba?
Where? Here?
Sa login na to. Ani itawagan
Come back.
kanang naka-static pa
Proceed
siya.
to the
Sa
up forms. DSIP. Okay. Answer questions.
Guys, nawala kong signal. Sorry kayo.
Naka-record pa to dahil.
aside pa rin sa kanmin, no?
Wait, ilang.
from waiting na mag-contonate. Kulang pa ta sa
Okay.
question.
We're still trying to kung oo,
Trying to create a question.
kung how to transfer this result dito sa here.
Here,
Oh.
from
Then
here.
we're trying to how to transfer the record here, oh. Here. Na makasulod siya. But every time nga once ako na ituplok, all the records nga magbutang ni is mawala. So,
Dili siya
still
kasi.
trying how to we're still trying to figure it out, sir. Okay na, Jake.
So far,
So, that's all, sir. Thank you.
Ako na stop.